Oh, this is special. Look at this. Isn't that cool? What a display. Miniature version of a big train. Oh, that is so cool. So nice. Oh, this is something you have to come and see for yourself. You ever visit Maine, go to the train. Visit the train. You get to go on a train ride, if you probably heard on some of my videos. But they got all these buildings in back. Don't think it's just go on a train ride and that's it. Visit all the buildings. It's everything from the old days. This is beautiful. Wow. See if I can get out of the glare of the light. Trying to show you the inside here without the glare so you could see everything. Oh, kind of right there. Look at that. Everything down to the detail of what the big ones are. That's cool. I love it. Ah, so nice. That is so cool. All right, No.1 Antique Express Railway. Beautiful. All right, hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.